My name is Abhishek Chaurasia. I'm from Delhi. Uh, I'm coming from non-coding background. Before joining AttainU, I was doing a job as a web designer. I was working on HTML, CSS designing, but I was not able to see any growth. So I decided to improve myself. Then I got to know about AttainU from Instagram, and I joined AttainU there for learning money stack course. I got the job from AttainU as a web developer in Multiverse Technology Private Limited. I am glad to that I got my first job as a web developer after completing my course. My advice to AttainU student is that keep focusing on more fundamentals and build as many as projects that will improve your practical understanding, and do daily CC and assignment regularly, improve yourself. Thank you.